Be steady, my beating heart. Okay, this is how to separate a stack of crackers. Now, this is an extremely delicate procedure that must be taken with extreme caution, so speak now or forever hold your peace. Your first step is to get a dried dead fish covered in, I think, sesame seeds. I think. Or egg rain. But once you have your fish, throw it on the ground, just like I did, several times until you know that it won't move. It's dead. Now, you pick it up, put it on top of the crackers, okay? Now, I want to very carefully move the crackers from here to there. From here to there. From here to there. From here to there. Okay? Then you can take the fish off because it'll be safe to touch the crackers now, after putting the fish on and moving the crackers from here to there. Now, the next thing you want to do is very carefully take the top cracker, very carefully. Okay, that's one. Okay, now the first one must be behind the crackers, or else the next one just won't go. Very carefully pick up the second one and put it down. Okay? Now, to separate the rest of the crackers, you need a simple procedure. Like that, okay? Very cool. Then, you simply want to do this. Now the crackers are separated into a gajillion pieces everywhere. And they're totally separate from these. There we go. And that is how to separate your crackers.